Hello, is me Sally agus bí mí a tchecas na fial ag Fèis Online. I am originally from Portobello, which is a seaside town on the edge of Edinburgh, and growing up there I used to walk right the way along the beach to get to primary school every day. And I thought there wasn't much going on, and now looking back I realise it was full of really cool folk musicians and people doing interesting things. When I was young, we used to have family gatherings at my granny's house, and my dad would play tunes on the whistle with his sister, my aunt, who plays and teaches fiddle, and I used to pester my dad to get me fiddle or violin lessons every day, really, when he came home from work. And eventually, when I was nearly 6, he gave in and let me have lessons, and I've not stopped since. If I weren't a musician, I don't know what I'd be doing really, but I wanted to study French and or geography when I left school. So maybe something in those areas perhaps? Or like something cooler like an astronaut. Once when I was in Ireland with Fèis, we were on stage having got whisked straight there from the airport in a big mad rush, and we're playing away. And I realised that the person next to me kept trying to move further away from me, and I didn't really know what was going on, so I kept moving closer to her, and then realised that the screw on my bow had got caught in her dress, and with every bow stroke I took, I was lifting up her dress for the audience to see her knickers. Not a good moment. The first folk album I remember having, or first album I remember having at all, was Fire On by Blazing Fiddles, which my aunt got for me. I think the first one I bought myself might actually have been Grit by Martin Bennett, which was like, yeah, good going for a 9-year-old, I think. And the most recent album I bought, I'm really excited about. It's Landskein by Lauren McCall, which comes out soon, and I can't wait because I love her slow air playing, and I believe it's mostly traditional slow airs, so yeah, look out for that one. The most famous person I've ever met was a musician called Sting, who you might not have heard of, but mums and dads hopefully will have. Yeah, I worked on a show that he wrote called The Last Ship, so yeah, I met him back in 2018 a couple of times. I play in a band called Heisk, and we aim to be as glittery and colourful and full of fun and party vibes as possible. So we do end up wearing quite a lot of crazy stuff on stage, a lot of sparkles, a lot of colour, and just like full face of glitter, which is a lot of fun but very messy to get off at the end of the night. This is a Strathspey called The Lees of Lunfarty. If you've not already done so, please sign up for Fèis Online, which is available at feisfajlig.com. I'm going to be teaching the Improvers Fiddle workshop, so I hope to see you there. Cheery and drasta, more on time.